In this video, we will define the drawing settings for a roundabout intersection. Defining these settings at the beginning of the project will ensure that the vehicle traffic objects are created correctly from the get-go. In my drawing file, I will select the default roundabout design standard that I want to use for my project. Then define the scale along with a couple round intersection settings that I want to use. To get started in my roundabout design, I will select the design standard that I want to use for my project. To select my roundabout design standard, I will use the roundabout standard explorer from the ribbon. In the library, I can use any of the industry standards that come preloaded with vehicle tracking. For my project, I will choose a standard from the US Junction Design Standards. US Federal Highways Administration Information Guide 2010. I will select the rural single lane roundabout and make it my default. When I create the roundabout in my drawing file, the roundabout standard will be copied from the library into the local pool at the bottom of the Explorer. After the roundabout design standard is copied into the pool, I can make any edits if needed. To define my drawing settings, I will click Proceed. In the drawing settings, I want to make sure my scale is set to use the same scale as my drawing file. On the scale page, I will toggle on Get Below Values from Drawing where available. This will grey out the scale settings and use my drawing scale and drawing convention as they are defined in my current drawing file. On the surfaces pages, I want to define the existing surface for my roundabout design. I can select my existing ground surface from the drop down list or use the pick button to select the surface from the drawing objects. The existing surface will be used for daylighting sub-assemblies into my roundabout design. The final change that I want to make to my design settings is to turn off all corridors features. I will turn this off while I design the roundabout, but when my general design is complete, I want to grade the roundabout. I will come back into the design settings and turn this on. I'll click OK to save my drawing settings. The new roundabout details dialog box will appear as the next step in my roundabout design. I will cancel out this dialog box and move on to sketching my road center lines.